Identify the incorrect pair. Parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. That's a very definition of a parallelogram. Two pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other. That's a parallelogram. There are a bunch of properties of parallelogram, but this is a very definition. So this is correct. Cube 6 face. Every chance that the room you're sitting in is a cuboid. A cube is just a symmetric cuboid. So you sit in a room, you have front and back, right and left, top and bottom, 6 faces. A cube has 6 faces or 6 surfaces. This is also correct. Polygon, 4 or more sides. 3 sides is triangle, 4 sides quadrilateral, 5 sides pentagon. So polygon, 4 or more sides. Is it correct? Quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon are all polygons. Correct. But remember, a triangle is a 3-sided polygon. So a polygon should have 3 or more sides, not 4 or more sides. With just 2 sides, we cannot form a closed shape. But anything more than that, with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then that can become a polygon. A 3-sided polygon is a triangle. So polygon is not 4 or more sides, it is 3 or more sides. So this is incorrect. Scalene triangle, unequal sides, that of course is correct. An equilateral triangle is a triangle where all 3 sides are equal. Isosceles triangle is one where 2 sides are equal. Scalene triangle is where all 3 sides are different. No 2 sides are equal.